family, what's up everybody? This is Kruti and you're watching Kruti Vlogs with me. I have a lovely morning. As you can see, I am enjoying the view and my breakfast. This is nothing I can ask more than this. This is aloo paratha with butter and jam as well. That is for breads. We are having dahi. This is my apple juice, pineapple juice. We have a coffee and my hot chocolate is coming. It's on my way. So I will be enjoying this lovely morning with my breakfast, and then we'll plan what to do, and I'll take you guys together with me. So I'll see you soon. Breakfast, and you can see the view. Isn't this amazing? This is what lovely and beautiful morning look like. This was much needed, much needed break. So that is the reason I'm not moving out so much. I'm not hurrying up. I just wanted this peace, enjoyed my breakfast, and now I'll go to my room. I'll quickly get ready for the day. Then we'll start with the tour of this hotel, this palace, and then we'll explore Udaipur somewhat. So till that time, you can enjoy this beautiful view and wait for me, and let me get ready and come back to you. So finally I'm ready. Now we'll step out to see the beautiful properties. So let's go, guys. Finally, now it's the time to show you the property where I'm staying. So behind me you can see this is the entrance gate of this palace. So let's get into this. If you enter from here we are having a reception area, and then now where I have entered, this is the hall, or you can see this is the waiting room. Let's jump into the park. Can you see this? This is the beautiful park. You can sit, you can take photos. If you want to play, you can play around. Here behind me you can see there is a temple. Whoever is worship addicted and want to pray and do puja part, if you're coming with your mom and especially dadis and everyone, so this is how you can stay here and do this as well. So this is the park. Now let's step into one more place. It's really beautiful, right? So now again, this is a small park area, but you can see there is a Tulsi Mata, which we worship. That is also given over here. Let's take you into the library now. So now I have stepped into the library. This is a lake facing library. You can just sit, you can read books. I'll just show you. Isn't this amazing? Here they even have books. If you are not reading any books, they have a whole lot of books over here. They have magazines over here. We are having two different chairs to sit as well. So this is a library if you want to just take a break, sit around. So overall, this is the beautiful lawn which they're having over here. So let's move ahead. I'll take you to the next floor and I'll show you how it goes. Okay, so here we have an elevator, right? But let me take you towards next step from the staircase so that you can see how beautiful it looks like. So let's go. Yes, so here we go. You can see there is a staircase behind me as well, and this is one more where we are. taking up. You can use anything you want. This is just I wanted to show you. Can you see the rooms behind? Isn't this amazing? Let's go up. I'll show you the restaurant as well. So, it's too beautiful. So here we have entered the restaurant, as you can see this. I'll show you where I was updating this. Can you ask something better than this? This is the view. You can have your lunch, dinner, breakfast, everything over here. This is the view. I just loved it. So I'll take you to the whole restaurant which they have. You can see behind, right? This is the beautiful restaurant. I'll show you the rooftop, how it looks like, and the beautiful view. Let's go up. Sorry for heavy breathing. That is because I'm taking stairs up. Can you see this beautiful place? Let's go to the dining area. This is beautiful. This is a rooftop where you can have your dinner, or if you are coming with your better halves, you can have the candlelight dinner as well. I am just in love with this place. It is damn beautiful. I cannot ask anything better than this. I can just sit, relax, enjoy the view and do whatever I want. I hope you guys are loving this. I'll show you from the top how it looks like. I'll take you to the swimming area which they have. They have a gym over here, particularly a 5-star property, okay? We know it as heritage. It is 300 to 400 years old. They have maintained it so beautifully. I know there is no water because no one was using it out, but this is the swimming area. This is beautiful, guys. Can you see how you can feel the carvings and everything is there? Isn't this beautiful? And you can see that palace, that is the Taj Palace which I was talking about. It's not affordable as of now, but in future we'll make it one day, right? So before that, I think I'll be showing you the night view as well. That's beautiful. You can't miss that out. But before that, we'll step out of this palace and we'll explore some new places. So I'll take you along with me. So let's go, guys.